S Series tutorial video. Hello everyone, today we'll introduce the operating methods of the S Series. First, power on. Plug in the power. Turn on the power switch on the back panel. Press the power button and wait a few seconds to enter the Android interface. Second, front ports. From left to right, there are power button, light sensor, touch port, HDMI port, UDISC port, and Type-C port. Third, sidebar. Click the sidebar icon. The options are back, annotation, home, multitask, signal source, toolbar, quick settings, and settings. Long press with 5 fingers to enter screen off mode. Long press again to wake up the screen. Tap with 2 fingers to activate the floating ball. In addition, you can click Settings icon, choose Display options, and enable Night mode. Select System options. You can also change languages of the system as needed. Fourth, screen mirroring. Open settings and connect it to the internet. Back to the Android interface and activate the screen sharing app. Choose different screen measuring methods based on your device's system. For Android system, you need to turn on the mobile network and ensure that it's connected to the same network as a display. Then open your phone's browser and scan the QR code in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you can download the screen sharing app. Open the screen sharing app on your phone and enter the screen projection code. Then you can start to share your screen. Select the reverse cast options. Your phone can control the large screen. The frequently used function is annotation. Words written on your phone will show on the display. For iOS system, there is a more easier way to share the screen. Connect to the same network of the display. Open screen mirroring, select the device, and you can start screen sharing. For PC client, you need to insert the transmitter. Press the button. After successful pairing, remove it and insert the transmitter into the computer's port. Press the button again. Wait a few seconds for the response. Then the screen sharing is completed. Fifth, Whiteboard. Open Whiteboard on Android interface. From left to right at the bottom are 8 function icons. The first one is writing. Twin nib whiteboard pen is 2 markers in one. You can change the color, sizes, and types, such as the text recognition pen, which can recognize written text and convert it into computer font. The second icon is the eraser. You can choose partial erasure, selective erasure, and screen clearing operations. The third icon is selection. Select a part of the content. You can scale, move, duplicate, and change the color of it. The fourth one is the toolbar, where you can insert frequently used mathematical graphs. The fifth icon is insertion. You can insert commonly used tools such as tables, web pages, mind maps, images, and others. The sixth and seventh icons are for undo and redo. The eighth one is single and multi-finger switching. Multi-finger supports at most 50 touch points. In single-finger mode, you can zoom in, zoom out, and move the content. At the lower left corner is the split screen function, which supports 2, 3, and 4 split screens. You can also add pages and select pages. The icon in the lower right corner is switching the positions of the tools. Finally, there is a menu bar, where you can create a new page, open files, save as or upload contents, share files via QR code or email, access settings, and exit. Sixth, dual system switching. With OPS equipped, we can switch between the Android and Windows system via the floating ball or sidebar. To switch to the Windows system, click the sidebar or floating ball, choose the signal source, select OPS, and enter Windows system. By clicking the Home button in the sidebar or floating ball, you can enter the Android interface. Seventh, other functions. Google Play is built-in. You can download a vast number of apps. Swipe right to enter the welcome page. Click the icon in the lower left corner. You can edit the template words, background music, and pictures, etc. There are more templates available for you to choose. Above is the user guide for the S series. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us.